Hi everyone, this is Faheem Siddiqui for your chemistry class. Today we will study the easiest way to learn reactivity series. Actually केमिस्ट्री में कुछ सीरीज़ ऐसी होती है जिन्हें लर्न करना बहुत ज़्यादा टिपिकल होता है और केमिस्ट्री वैसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा tricky based जो है वो on the behalf of the tricky based we can learn chemistry easily. Here we are getting a trick here for you, my dear student. What is the trick here? The trick is, please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. Here, please stand for P for potassium, sodium, stop, that is sodium, calling, that is calcium, me, that is magnesium, A, that is aluminium, careless, that is carbon, zebra, that is zinc, instead, that is iron, try, that is tin, learning, that is lead, how, that is hydrogen, copper, that is copper saves, that is silver, gold, that is gold. This is the activity series of a metal. We can learn the metals in the form of the least reactive to the most reactive. Only this way we can easily learn our series. If you want to learn this series, then you need to accept this formula. You need to learn this formula. Please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. In that cases, you can learn all the elements of these from least reactive to most reactive. This is the easiest way, my dear student. Please, if you like my video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much once again. Thank you, beta.